Accused of stealing $20 without evidence, this man was cornered by police to the point of throwing his clippers to the ground. It all started when...
Please don't touch my clippers. Put my clippers down. Please put my clippers down. Yeah, I don't want to touch you. Please put down my clippers. You shouldn't be touching my things.
All right.
He threw my clippers on the ground. Look at this.
Oh, you okay?
He said, oh, geez, oh, you okay? I have to film because this is how...
In today's video, we see a tense situation between a citizen and the police over an alleged theft of $20 from a coffee shop. The man repeatedly claims he was not involved, insisting that he only went to the bathroom for a few seconds and immediately reported it to the front desk when he realized his wallet and keys were missing. He also expressed his displeasure at being approached too closely, asked to put down his phone and clippers while getting a haircut, and especially when his personal belongings were touched, an action he considered disrespectful of his privacy. Everything was recorded for his own safety, as he said he had been assaulted, had his phone smashed, and had been treated unfairly by police in the past. Notably, the man did not appear to be hostile, but instead repeatedly called for a review of the security cameras, which could shed light on the incident. He also shared his goal of living for the community, helping young people, and asserted that he did not care about money. This raises many questions. Are the police overreacting? Is society quick to make assumptions and accusations based on prejudice without verifying the facts? Leave a comment below. Who do you think is right and who is wrong in this situation? Don't forget to like if you support civil rights being respected, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next analysis videos about truth and justice.
I don't feel safe.
We're investigating something, man.
I don't feel safe.
We're investigating something. Stay
Okay.
right there.
I don't feel safe. They're coming right up to me.
Please
keep
because
6
now
feet
we have
away.
to investigate a larceny of $20.
Everything's on video.
Good. So
This is
you're on
Warner.
video too. You're on
Very
video
good.
too.
Very good.
You're on video too, okay?
Very good. They're in
You're
my
under
face.
investigation.
Please give me 6 feet away.
Is it
You're
Jim?
under
Please give me 6 feet away.
Jim?
Please give me 6 feet away.
Is it Jim? Is it Ryan? What is it?
I'm cutting my hair right now. I'm being harassed by the Newport
Put that down.
police.
I want to call you.
I
the right
can't.
name, so
For my safety. They're in my face telling me to put my
Ryan,
phone
listen,
down.
Right now, you're a suspect in a
No,
crime.
I'm telling you to
so
put the clippers down.
We're trying to talk to you, okay?
Okay, I'll put the clippers down. That's fine.
Thank you.
But I really shouldn't have to, man.
No, I appreciate that. Thank you.
All right.
For your safety and ours.
I walked in the restroom, looked to the left, saw a wallet and keys on the dryer, popped out. Wasn't in the restroom for more than 1 second. Everything's on video. I don't like being accused. I don't
We're
like
not accusing you. We're just
All right.
investigating something.
So I
Does that
notified.
make sense to you? Does that make sense to you that she's missing $20? You were the last one to go in there after her, and now she's missing $20. And
First of all,
with a reasonable person,
you don't know that.
reasonable
You don't know I was the last one in there after her.
That's what everybody's saying. We have witnesses.
Watch the video.
Are they lying to
Watch the video. Somebody
you
took her.
returned it.
Somebody took her money. Then I wasn't the last one in after her.
Okay. All right.
That's common sense.
Do you have? So you don't have a $20 bill on you right now?
No, I don't. I had a $10 bill. That's mine. That I earned on a different day, not today.
Okay.
And I went in there for a coffee, man. And let me tell you something. Please understand. All right. I don't want to film you. I don't want to film you.
Yes, you do.
But I have to.
You're on camera. Where's
That's fine. I have nothing to hide. Please don't call me a name if you don't know me.
I do know you.
Well, I know
You
your
don't
name's
know
Ryan,
me.
Dude, we've been
You don't
here
know me.
for-
I don't even want to be this close to you right now.
I've talked to you.
We're
literally-
about
I've talked to you 6 times.
2
in the
feet
past
away
couple
right now.
months.
Right. Come on.
I'm going to
that's
step
6
back
times
up
too
to the
long.
window behind me because I don't want to be close.
fine.
All right? Thank you.
Right. This lady doesn't have a lot of money, right? Okay.
She needs to put gas in her car.
This is Senator.
They said this lady doesn't have a lot of money. I don't have a lot of money, and I don't focus on money in life. Everything I do is for health and safety reasons, disabled, students, young people, okay? I don't focus on money.
I don't. Dude, that's irrelevant.
All
right
we
now.
want.
It's not irrelevant.
All we want
I
is-
did the right thing. I went right to the counter. I didn't stay in there. I didn't feel comfortable being in there. I wanted the person to get their property back, and you're throwing your hands up.
I'm not throwing. I'm putting my hand.
But people tell me they're so sick that I hate when they do everything they can to try to arrest you. I hate when they do everything they can
What are we
to.
doing? We're not doing anything.
Just the other day, you charged out of your car at me,
I
Warner.
didn't. Charge.
You charged out of your car.
I
Yes, you
barely got
did.
Out of my car.
And you told me and another good guy to shut up.
I don't like lies. Don't lie.
He's telling me not to lie. Okay.
I barely got out of my
All right,
car.
please get away from me because I know you're involved in the corruption and criminal activity. You're too close to me.
Right. We just need the $20 back, man.
I don't have any money. I went to the counter. I wasn't in the restroom for more than 1
You
second.
said you don't listen.
Everything's on video.
You said you don't have
I
the
know
20.
we're recording too.
Just-
Listen, since you're an honest guy and I want to believe you, can you show me your wallet? You said you don't have.
I don't have a wallet, man. I don't spend money on a wallet.
You show me the money in your pocket. You said you don't have 20. Just prove it.
I don't have much money on me. I only have a couple ones on me, and I don't have to empty my pockets. Everything's on video.
10. Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna assume you're lying then.
Well, you're.
I'm not lying.
You're a suspect in a larceny of $20.
First of all, he's saying I'm a suspect of a larceny of $20.
That's true.
100% are.
Watch the Starbucks video. You can get the video. I'll wait right here. All my stuff is right here. I'm not going anywhere.
I know all your stuff's there. It's been here all summer. I know where your stuff is.
He said, I know your stuff's here. It's been here all summer. They're very mad at me.
Everything I say, it's being recorded anyway.
I have to for my safety because I'm so used to the police in Rhode Island getting drunk.
Yeah, that's fine.
You go see what?
We'll go look at the camera.
Very good. I hope you do. And then you see that I popped in for 1 second and popped out and went right up to the counter. Right? Oh, why do you think I record? Because the police smashed my phone, because they put their hands on me.
I did not.
It doesn't matter though, man.
Yes, it does.
It does matter.
You know what? You judge everybody off of the actions of one.
All right. When cops say it wasn't me, okay?
What? Tell me you're educated.
So you care about locking up people who do bad things and hurt people for no reason, right?
Yes, absolutely.
So, but you won't understand that Giacomo and Sullivan were there when Godak put his hands on me. All right, and it's a safety concern. You work together, you work for the city, you have weapons on you, and a lot of other things. I'm a good kind man. I'm a good kind kid. I'm a young person, all right? And I'm a man of nonviolence. It's not the first time that the police have put their hands on me for no reason, or gotten drunk, or out of control, and aggressive and violent with me or other people. Okay, I'm not trying to jam you up, Warner. I'm not trying to jam anybody up. They're jamming themselves up because this is what I do, and my life's on the line, man. I don't want to record you. I don't want to be standing here recording you right now. I don't want to be near you, all right? I want to do whatever I want to do right now. Paint or whatever, talk to the community, talk to people walking by. I don't want to be recording you, but you leave me no choice.
I've done nothing but treat you with courtesy and respect.
And all I'm telling you is just to check the video.
No, but you understand, like, we have to talk to you, man. Like, somebody, like, legit accused you of doing something.
Accused.
We were doing our job.
Accusations, not facts, man.
So, hey, are you in handcuffs?
Just like Seth Godak accusing me of breaking and enterings before he put his hands on me.
All right.
So Seth Godak was talking about breaking and enterings. I don't steal. If anything gets stolen here in Newport or anywhere on earth, it's not going to be from me.
I know nothing about what he said, what he did. I know nothing, okay? I wasn't there. All I've done is treat you, like I said.
And let me tell you something. The Godak thing,
That's it.
all right, I really didn't want to make anything of that, man. I really didn't. But with the tickets and the other stuff, and you telling me I'm lying when you guys are lying,
No.
you leave me no choice than to film you.
I'm not lying. All right,
Well, you say that I'm lying.
We're gonna get out of here.
You say that I'm lying.
We're gonna get out of here, okay?
All right, man. I don't want to film you guys.
Okay.
Just please keep
But
your
can you do
distance.
something? Can you just be like respectful of the people out
I'm
there?
very
I know
respectful,
you are.
man.
Listen. Just because, like I said, I got a call the other day about it. Just
About what?
about you putting up all your stuff. Just be careful.
I put up a little bit of things out here. There's nothing wrong with that, man.
No, I mean, just like people like to sit on the wall. They like to just.
Yup, there's plenty of wall, man.
All right, Ryan. So,
Man,
unfortunately, if you ruined this lady's day, if you did it, if not, then we apologize. But
yeah, I didn't, man. Why don't you just check the video? Why doesn't corporate want to give out the video so often? You know, it's a big secret.
In the
there's no
bathroom,
video in the bathroom. So.
Man, this video all in Starbucks, man. I went right up to the counter.
No, show me the camera in the bathroom. Show me the camera in the bathroom. Let's go. Show me the camera.
He's saying, show me the camera in the bathroom.
Well, you think this?
Please stop coming towards me. Please stop coming towards me. I'm going to back up near the other window because I don't feel safe. He's cornering me against the wall. Now he's touching my clippers. Please don't touch my clippers. Put my clippers down. Please put my clippers down. Yeah, I don't want to touch you. Please put down my clippers. You shouldn't be touching my things.
All right, Ryan. Have a great day.
He threw my clippers on the ground.
Oh, geez.
Look at this.
Oh, you okay?
He said, oh, geez, oh, you okay? I have to
And that
film.
was the first tense situation where a citizen was forced to film himself to protect himself from excessive police access. But the story doesn't end there. In the next segment, we continue to follow another incident related to civil rights and law enforcement. A group of people simply park their cars in a public park at night, completely not causing any trouble or violating the law. Were approached by the police, questioned, and asked to show their identification. Is this a routine check or a subtle abuse of power? Watch the video to understand more and make your own judgment.
I ain't got to show you my ID, sir, if I ain't breaking the law.
Okay.
Right or wrong? All right.
It's on right or wrong.
Here's the thing.
No.
How
How can you run my tag? No. We not doing.
Well, here's the thing. You gonna let me talk? You gonna talk? I can't talk over you, man.
Go ahead.
I'm trying to be respectful.
Just go ahead.
I haven't
Okay.
been
No. Just go ahead.
I'm explaining to you what it is that I'm doing. You're parked in the place.
Mm-hmm.
Hang on just a second. Sorry about that. Talking to my ear. Give me a second, okay? Simple. Okay. Like I said, at the end of the day, look, you're parked in a location where I mean, I ain't trying to be mean or funny. I ain't saying y'all do anything wrong. But at the end of the day, this is a location where we've been known to find all kinds of stuff. Look, man, all I'm checking is make sure.
Well, we're not that. I mean, you
Okay,
can
I don't know
obviously
that.
see. I'm letting you know. But
it ain't your job for you to know.
It is my job to know.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. My job is to find suspicious activity. Make sure
Did we commit
and
a crime? Did we commit a crime, sir?
My job is to find suspicious activity.
That's not a crime.
suspicious activity. That's a very vague word to use.
Well, it's subjective. It's not vague. It's subjective.
It's vague. It's a vague term that you use to do exactly what you're doing. We're not. You see it here. We got food in the window.
We see a familiar but controversial situation. A group of citizens are parked in a public park at night when they are approached by police and asked to show identification. Although the citizens claim they have not broken any laws and have checked the signs before parking, the police proceed to check the license plate and suggest that this is a suspicious activity area. It is worth noting that the term suspicious is used so vaguely, not tied to any specific offense. The man in the car argued strongly, citing his civil rights and asking directly, "What law did I break that I have to show my ID?" The police defended themselves by saying that it was a traffic check and that they just wanted to verify their identity in case anything happened later. Although they ultimately found no wrongdoing and withdrew, the feeling of being followed, suspected, and forced to prove innocence was still deeply frustrating. This situation reflects the tense relationship between citizens and law enforcement, especially when privacy and the right not to incriminate oneself are on the line. The fact that the police check on suspicion without a clear legal basis is something that worries many people. What do you think about this incident? Are the police doing their job, or are they abusing their power? Leave a comment below to share your perspective. If you find the content useful, like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next analysis on civil rights and law enforcement.
Why not people?
Because you're parked in a public park after dark.
Public?
Yeah.
This is what you just said. Public.
Yep. After nightfall, it's no longer allowed to be in a public park.
That's not true.
Okay.
That's true?
Well,
Is that law?
that's 100% law.
No, that's not by law. And can you run my tag? Me sitting, what now?
You're 100% in the public park. You're parked here after dark. You're a suspicious vehicle.
But wait.
I have to check.
No, you do not. That's law.
So you checking.
Here's the thing.
You checking. You're
100%
good.
right.
Hey, what's your badge number?
We don't have badge numbers.
You don't have no badge number?
No, my name's Amazon. It's right here on
Amazon, and you ain't got no badge. You ain't got no badge number.
Yep.
No badge number. And I'm Flores.
And what's your name?
Flores.
And you ain't got no badge number.
No badge
Okay.
number.
Okay. Here's the thing. Regardless, you're making something out of nothing.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
Sir.
I know my law, and I know when
Okay.
you in the what now.
Okay.
We're in a public parking. Yeah,
Here's the
I
thing.
see what you're saying. It's after dark, suspicious.
Yeah, and as long as y'all
just-
stuff is fine, I ain't got nothing to say. I ain't got nothing to say about that.
we're sitting here. We're fine.
Okay. Well, here's the thing. At this point in time, like I said, I'm conducting an investigation to make sure everything's cool here at this point in time. Do you mind?
What's the investigation? And what's the
parked
proper what's the proper code? Why I got to show you my ID?
Because you're
If I
parked
did
in a blackout.
no, is that's a crime? Did I commit a crime?
I'm trying to investigate.
Did I
That's
commit?
what I'm
Did I
saying.
commit a crime?
That's what I'm telling you. I'm trying to investigate that.
No, this is not a crime. What we doing? I'm not breaking the law, and I ain't got to show you my ID, sir, if I ain't breaking the law.
Okay.
Right or wrong?
All right.
It's on right or wrong.
Here's the thing.
No.
How
How can you run my tag? No. We not doing.
Well, here's the thing. You gonna let me talk? You gonna talk? I can't talk over you, man.
Go ahead.
I'm trying to be respectful.
Just go ahead.
I haven't
Okay.
been mean to
No,
you.
just go ahead.
I'm explaining to you what it is that I'm doing. You're parked in a place. Hang on just a second. Sorry about that. Talking to my ear. Give me a second, okay? Simple. Okay. Like I said, at the end of the day, look, you're parked in a location where I mean, I ain't trying to be mean or funny. I ain't saying y'all do anything wrong. But at the end of the day, this is a location where we've been known to find all kinds of stuff. Look, man, all I'm checking is make sure.
Well, we're not that. I mean, you
Okay,
can
I don't know
obviously
that.
see. I'm letting you know. but
it ain't your job for you to know.
It is my job to know.
No, it's not.
Yes, it's my job is to find suspicious activity.
Did,
make sure
did
it's
we
fine,
commit
and
a
to keep it
crime?
moving.
Did we commit a crime, sir?
My job is to find suspicious activity.
That's not a
and keep it moving.
crime.
Suspicious activity. That's a very vague word to use.
Well, it's subjective. It's not vague. It's subjective.
It's vague. It's a vague term to use to do exactly what you're doing. We're not. You see it here. We got food in the window. This movie playing.
Okay.
Man, you
There's
commit
nothing
not violation rights, man.
suspicious
That's what you're
going
doing.
on. Some suspicious.
Shit was
like,
up. That's what y'all doing, committing our violation rights. Listen to me. We didn't commit no
I
law.
believe the
We
term
didn't.
you're looking for is violating civil rights.
Well, you know what you know what I mean,
Like
and
I
that's what
said,
you're
at the end of
doing.
the day-
You know what I
I'm
mean, and that's what you're doing.
I'm trying to help you jump to your own conclusions, but at the end of the day, like I said, all I'm trying to do is make sure everything's kosher here.
And we
Everything's
told you
fine.
everything good.
Everything's fine.
Okay.
But here's the thing: once I begin conducting, basically, for lack of better terms, this is a traffic stop. At this point in time, I mean,
It's traffic stop.
find you.
It's not a traffic stop. Listen, everything you saying right now, you being recorded, so you better be careful what you saying. You
Okay.
know you. Oh no, keep going.
Okay, here's the thing.
So this is a traffic stop.
Here's the thing. Well, for lack of better terms, I mean that's basically what I'm doing here.
Look, well,
Right.
So-
no.
At the end of the day,
I wanna hear
listen.
what
Are
he's
you gonna
saying.
listen to me?
Go ahead, sir.
So, like I said, all I'm doing, look, your tags have come back clear. They came back to a
I
true
know it's
search.
clear. I'm a veteran. That's how I know. I'm a veteran who used to be.
So how does a traffic stop? Hold on, baby. How does a traffic stop? And we ain't
I'm
going
telling
away.
you, listen. I'm telling you right now that you're in a suspicious location. Look, all I'm asking is, hey, provide some sort of ID. That way, if anything goes wrong, we can at least say who we talked to. You said this is your vehicle?
Yeah, this is.
You were Miss Teresa?
I am.
Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't catch the last name, and I'm not trying to call you out of your
I'm
name
not
or
saying
anything.
that you're
Okay?
trying to call me out
Okay,
of
no,
anything.
that's what I'm saying. I just wanted to be respectful
Yeah.
and call you by the right name. That's all I'm asking.
Yeah.
So, hey, at the end of the day, listen, we ain't got no calls on here, or anything like that on any of y'all.
It's not like you said. You just,
so
that's what you was
Okay.
sitting there waiting for, right? Y'all ran the plates, number one, already.
Yeah.
So you ran the place, you got it back. It's clear. Yes, it's clear. You want to know why? Because I'm a veteran. I'm a veteran who served and retired out the Army because
That's
I
fine.
don't do shit
And we
because I make
appreciate
sure
service.
I
We
stay
appreciate
clear.
service.
I made sure when we got here, I looked for any sign that's saying about trespassing after a certain hour because I know this is a public park.
Okay.
And with a public park, usually if it's after a certain time frame, there's no trespassing after this hour in this park.
Yep.
I made sure I didn't see anything like that.
Okay.
So once again, why do we got to provide our ID? If you looking at me, usually, because that's what usually happens as a female, it's the female that's getting hurt, but they can't say nothing over here.
Then ran the tag.
Or whatever the case may be. You ran the tags and see, it's clear. I'm telling
I
you,
got you.
I'm good.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what are we about to start here?
Well, no. At this point in time, like I said, I've got your information. That's fine. I just wanted to make contact with my driver. But hey, you know what? At the end of the day, I have the legal right to do that. I'm not about to.
No, you don't have the legal right to do that.
You gonna let me talk? You gonna talk?
What you saying? You not telling.
I'm trying to be respectful. And
No, it's
explain-
not about
explain
respectful. What you saying is not making. No, we didn't break any law.
That makes sense.
You didn't supposed
The
to
reason I'm
run.
still here talking to you is I'm comfortable.
No,
with
no.
what it is that I'm
Listen,
doing,
listen. What you saying right now?
Can
Okay,
I just wrap this up?
it ain't nothing to wrap up, man. I'm
Okay,
just letting you know
just give me 2
we didn't
seconds.
do
Let me
nothing
wrap
wrong.
this
We didn't commit
All
no
right,
crime.
cool. Hey, look,
You
check
ran
this out.
my old lady
Check this
Tad.
out. That's fine.
It-
Hey, give me a second. You gonna give me a second? All right. So check this out. I don't have a problem with y'all being out here. I ain't got no calls, like I said. Y'all stuff came back clear. Hey, just do me a favor. If and when y'all do clear out, just be super careful. At the end of the day, like I said, hey, I'm gonna trust that you got your license. I ain't pushing that issue today. I ain't got time for that. I'm not trying to do all this extra paperwork, all that other good stuff. All right. So like I said, hey, if y'all are good, we're good.
I'm good. We good.
We told you we was good.
Okay. I just gotta check it out. That's my job. I ain't trying to say y'all ain't.
You go ahead. You okay?
Okay. Cool.
Okay.
So we're good. No questions, anything like that.
No, sir.
You said.
We good. Go ahead. We good.
Cool. Well, hey, guess what? Y'all have a good night. That's all I'm trying to do.
Same.
All right?
Thank
Hey, y'all
you.
be safe. If y'all need anything, y'all holler, all right?
Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. If you found this content helpful, thought-provoking, or eye-opening, please take a moment to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support truly helps us grow and continue creating content that matters. The original video link is included in the description below. Be sure to check it out and support the original creators who are helping to bring real-world encounters to light. Together, we're building a community that knows their rights, understands the law, and refuses to stay silent in the face of injustice. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.